This short video will serve as your introduction to Basecamp and its features. Basecamp is an easy-to-use project management tool that will allow all of us to keep track of your trailer's progress, give you access to important dates and documents, and serve as the central location for all communication between you and the Vistabule team. You should have received an email from us with a link to your Basecamp page. So, the first thing you need to do is follow that link and create your own Basecamp account. Once you've done that, you will now have access to your Basecamp page. The most important feature is the Basecamp message board. It's here that you can leave us requests for options, changes to your build, post any questions you have, or just drop by to say hi. Instead of scrolling through dozens of emails, all of our communications can be found here. Posting a message is simple. Let's click on the message board here. And then click on New Message. It's just like writing an email. You can give your message a title, for example, and then you can write your message here. So, for example, I would like to change the color of my bat wings to blue. Then you can either save the draft if you'd like to add more to your message later, or click Post this message if you are ready to send. Not only will we be able to reply to your messages, but we can also post any questions we have for you, as well as photos and updates about your trailer's progress. Another great feature of Basecamp is the Docs and Files page. This is where we will store all important documents related to your trailer that you will now have access to should you misplace your original copies. So here's an example of your purchase agreement, cancellation or refund policy, pricing sheet, limited warranty. And finally, let's take a look at your schedule page. This will give you the most up-to-date information on important milestones like due dates for 90-day final decisions, deposits, and projected finish dates. And of course, we will always notify you in advance if there are any changes to these dates. That's about it for Basecamp. This will be a great way for you to be more involved and informed about the entire building process, and we are excited to offer it to you. If you ever have questions about Basecamp and its features, you can always email us or give us a call. Happy trails.